You were required to solve these two, and these remaining MCQ questions were required to be solved. Still आपने वो solve किया है. There was a misconfusion. There was a confusion. No issue in that. But still in that I found like आपने कुछ mistakes की थी. Okay, Ahmed.
Yes, sir.
For example, see, in question number 3. In question number 3, you have answered force of friction. Everyone read the question. During dry weather, while combing hair, sometimes we experience hair flying apart. That is not due to force of friction. Electrostatic force. Right now, so the two bodies, the hair and the comb, they develop opposite charges, and opposite charges will be attracting. So thereby electrostatic force develops there. And one more thing was wrong here. In question number 7, see, everyone look at question number 7. A water tank has 4 taps fixed at the given points A, B, C, and D. The water will flow out at the same pressure from taps at, so obviously we can see B and C, they are at same level.
Yes, sir.
So option number E is the correct one for this. Remaining answers were correct, Ahmed. Okay, now good. Also, what you did mistake now, Arhan, you did mistake in question number 3, and even Moaz missed this question. Moaz haven't joined the class yet, no? Okay. Remember, I did told you at the sea level, the atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeter of mercury.
76
right?
centimeter.
So, and converted to centimeter, we know that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So thereby 760 millimeter will be 76 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
Simply we have divided it with 10. Getting it now, Ahmed, Arhan, and Aram.
Yes,
So option A is the correct one, not 0.76. Take it now. Remaining answers were correct. Okay. Now one more question was that. Look at question number 5. Read this question carefully. Two forces F1 and F2 are acting on a body. There's a given body on which two forces are acting.
So it will move in the direction of F1, since F1 is a contact force.
Okay, look now. Sometimes even non-contact force can have a huge magnitude. For example, imagine that you are holding an umbrella and you are trying to move with an umbrella in the forward direction against the wind.
So thereby force whose magnitude is greater, right?
Okay, now let's read the question again. First of all, we need to understand the question properly. Two forces F1 and F2 are acting on this body such that F2 is a non-contact force. ये F2 non-contact force हो सकता है. It could be wind, for example. For instance, it could be a storm.
Yes, sir.
It could be a storm. While F1 is a contact force. Now the question says, then the body, if at all moving, let's say if the body is moving here. So then the body, if at all is moving, always moves in the direction of what? We know normally that, what do we know that? Contact forces are having more magnitude than the non-contact forces.
Yes, sir.
That's what we normally know. But here, is it specified that which body is having more magnitude?
No, sir.
See, either the contact force could be having higher magnitude, either the non-contact forces could be having a higher magnitude.
Yes,
right?
yes, sir.
So we don't know exactly where the body will be moving. So looking at option number A, it says that the body will be moving in direction of F1. We can't say for sure because it's not given कि F2 बड़ा है या फिर F1 बड़ा है. Right?
Yes,
Now, option number B might confuse you. It says force whose magnitude is greater. Okay, so let's assume that F1 is greater. हमने assume किया है कि F1 is greater than F2. So if F1 is greater than F2, then the body will be moving towards the right direction, towards F2 now.
Yes, sir.
But here it says force whose magnitude is greater. force which force is having higher magnitude? F1, as I assumed here. But जब F1 greater होगा, so body will be moving towards the F2 now.
Yes, sir.
Thereby option B will be confusing you. That is incorrect, in fact.
It
So
would
the
be
thing
D.
is, it would be D, none of the above. Okay, who got this question and who got confused in this? Please do let me
I
know.
got it.
Everyone, it's got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is Moaz here? Yeah, Moaz, assalamu alaikum. So one more thing you missed, Moaz. The answer of question number 3 is option number A. Okay, we know that the sea level, the atmospheric pressure is 760 millimeter, or converted to centimeter, it will be 76 centimeter. So you missed that one, and same mistake you have done for this question also. Here, the correct answer is option number D. Did you got the explanation?
Yes, sir.
There are
So
two
how many
forces.
marks I got?
So basically, you just only one question was incorrect. No, only question number 5. So you can
And
count,
3 also.
and 3 also. No, so they were total counting from here 1, 2, 3,
I
4,
got a 7.
5, 6, 7. Okay, now and total 7. So you are basically getting 5 out of 7. That is your marks, Arhan. Okay, now and Moaz, you made, I think this one was wrong. Okay, and this one was also wrong. Basically, you missed question number 3, so you also got the same marks. Okay, now let me again check it. Okay, question number 7. I hope it was simple. It was a very simple question.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, basically हमें observation करना होता है. All the questions are easy. And Ahmed, for you, since you attempted this paper, there was a slight confusion. Still, ये questions भी काफी अच्छे nature के questions थे. Okay, na? So in total there were 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if I were to give marks to you, so you got 7 out of 9. Okay, na? You might think why I'm giving 7 out of 9, because mistakenly Ahmed attempted a different paper. Okay, na? Okay then. And Arham, make sure you attempt the papers from the next time. Okay, na? Even if the test has been conducted, even after the class, you are required to attempt it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so back to the chapter, comparing quantities. The last class we did discuss so many things about it. We did discuss the methodologies to find percentages. Okay, what are the different components of ratios? Okay, now so today we would be beginning our discussion with the exercise.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so look at exercise 8.1. Although I told you, like, now the chapter has been renamed as chapter number 7. Now in NCERT book, this is chapter number 7. So it is basically 7.1a. Okay, no? Okay, guys. Look at question number 1. Acha, Arhan, you have sent a question to me now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Arhan has sent a very good question to me. So how about we solve a question? Is it okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
So हम एक question solve करेंगे, then we will be moving ahead. Okay, ना?
So which chapter?
It's not of any particular chapter. Basically,
It's
competitive exams
mensuration.
it will be mensuration. If you were to include in that mensuration, we can count it. See, basically the question is that there is a wheel of the bus. Okay, this is a wheel and it is having a diameter of 90 centimeter. Diameter is 90 centimeter. Okay, and this wheel is making 315 revolutions per minute. यानी
Yes,
कि
sir.
एक मिनट में कितनी बार रिवॉल्व करता है और हम 315 revolutions. Getting it, was
Yes, sir.
Ahmed?
Yes, sir.
Now the question being asked is that you have to find its speed now. Find its speed, and it's in kilometer per hour, right?
Yes, sir.
Will you please read the options? What were the options, Arhan?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Sir, it's 52.46
52.46, then
and 53.46
53.46, and
and 50.50.
50.50. The last one, I suppose it would be none of the above.
Yes, sir.
None of these. So anyone would like to give it a try? Any idea?
Yes, sir.
Which click हो रहा है mind में, like what should be done here?
So one revolution should be a 2 pi r.
Exactly. Right now, one complete revolution done by this wheel will be simply its circumference.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this thing or not?
Yes, sir.
And we would multiply it by 315.
Exactly, that is the way you'll be solving it. Very good. So basically हम समझते हैं कि हमने क्या हमें करना है here. Basically the solution is that we know that circumference, all of you know, basically it's the length of the boundary of any given figure,
Perimeter. Yes, sir.
right? So
Yes,
here
sir.
it is 2 pi r, basically perimeter. Very good. The perimeter of this wheel is going to be 2 pi r, right? And what is given in the question? Already diameter is given. So diameter capital D is 90 centimeter. So radius will be obviously half of it, that is 45 centimeter, right now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now further you can see that distance traveled by this distance travel in one revolution. एक revolution में क्या distance travel होगा? That will be simply 2 pi r.
Yes, sir.
So here it's we are required to find the speed. Speed find करने के लिए हमें क्या पता है? Formula is distance upon time, right? So if we were to find total distance,
Yes, sir.
and the time is already given, we have to find it on the basis of 1 minute. 1 मिनट में 315 रिवॉल्यूशन हो रहे हैं, राइट? सो इट मींस कि जब व्हील 315 टाइम्स रोटेट करता है, सो हाउ मच डिस्टेंस इज कवर्ड? Try to imagine it like this. There's a wheel that is making 315 revolutions like this. So it will be covering some distance now.
Yes, sir.
और ये इतने distance when it is doing 315 revolutions, it will be covering the particular distance in 1 minute. ये question में given है. Everyone clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Back to the question. Distance travel in one revolution will be 2 pi r. So हम क्या करते हैं ना? Let's find कि एक revolution में कितना distance travel हो रहा है. So then we will multiply it with 315 revolutions. So that will give you the total time, total distance. Then total distance will be divided by the time, that is 1 minute. So thereby
So
you
we
will be
need to
very
also
easily getting
convert
it.
it by into kilometers.
Exactly. That is the easy part. You will be able to do it quickly. But let's find the speed. And also you should be knowing this, that pi की वैल्यू 22.7 होती है in fraction,
Or
and in
3.14.
3.14 in decimal, right? Very good. The 2 times 22.7 into 45. So approximate value what you would be getting here? 44 times 45/7.
So 28.2.
28.2. और fraction में अगर हम देखते हैं ना, so 45 times 2 is 90. 45 into 2 is 90. 90 को हम 22 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that will be 1980/7 सेंटीमीटर मिल गया, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
For the sake of convenience on solving, अभी हम इसे डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट नहीं करेंगे, राइट?
Yes, sir.
सो अभी हमें डिस्टेंस मिल चुका है, that is travel in one revolution. Not total distance की अगर हम बात करते हैं, that will be the distance travel in one revolution, that is 1980/7 multiplied total revolution, that is 315.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, now. After solving it, what value you will be getting?
Sir, I got
It's
8997.
how much?
Say 89,097.
89,097.
75.
Okay, see, we can cancel 315 by 7 by 45 times or not.
Yes, sir.
Cancel करेंगे. Simply 1980 को हम 45 से multiply करते हैं. One of you please multiply this value and see what value you are getting. Moz, multiply 1980 with 45.
Okay, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, it should be around 69,300.
No, I don't think so. 1980 को हम 45 से multiply कर रहे
Sir, it is 88,000.
हैं. 88,000.
Yes.
What?
So 89,100.
89,100. Exactly. That should be the value.
Yes, sir.
Ahmed, you got the same value? 89,100 centimeter. Getting it, Arhan. I think here यहाँ पर आप mistake कर रहे हैं question solve करने में. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now, so now it becomes very easy. I'm switching the page. Okay. So speed is total distance covered by the vehicle upon time. So total distance we just found out it's 89,100 centimeter है ये. And time
Yes,
is 1 minute. Everyone knows that in order to convert from centimeter to kilometer, what do we need to do?
Divide by 1,000.
Divide by 1,000. Exactly. So we would be doing exactly the same thing, divided by 1,000. And in order to convert minute into hour, what we
We
would be
need to
doing?
multiply 60.
We would be multiplying given value with 60 over here. Right now, it's basically you are dividing it, but ये multiplication में ऊपर आ जाएगा. See, let me tell you how what we are basically doing. आप इसे individually भी convert कर सकते हैं, okay ना? So 89,100 upon 1,000 in order to convert into kilo. Good. And it will be 1 upon 60, right? So basically, can I not write it like this? 89,100 upon divided by 1 upon 60. I hope no confusion in this simple thing.
yes, sir.
Moaz and Ahmed, you guys are not saying anything. 891 times 6. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Uh, so what value you are getting here?
So, but it won't match the answer.
Okay, look here. Look here, look here. Obviously answer won't be matched here. हमने कुछ mistake किया है यहाँ पर. See, I think here now what we have done here. Okay, let me switch to the previous page. Total distance we were getting as 89,100 centimeter. See, here what we have done mistake here. यहाँ पर हमने गलती कर दी ना. Look, in order to convert from centimeter to kilometer, पहले हम क्या करते हैं? Centimeter से meter में convert करते हैं.
Yes, sir.
Right now, then convert it into kilometer.
Yes, sir.
So here you would be dividing it with 100, and then again dividing it with 1,000 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
मीटर से किलोमीटर कन्वर्ट करने में हम 1,000 से डिवाइड करते हैं. So that is what we did wrong here. यहाँ पे हमने गलती की है. So there will be 5 zeros here.
10,000.
Okay now. So now it's 891 times 6 upon 100. So now now do tell me what value you are getting. Yeah, one of you please solve it quickly.
Sir,
Ahmed
we also
was
have to multiply by nothing, sir.
okay.
So it will be 5.346.
5.346.
Yes, sir.
53.46.
3.46.
53.46.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. 53.46 kilometer per hour. And that matches to option number C.
So, can I take a screenshot?
Sure. Starting from this page.
Sir, I got my portion today for annual yearly.
Okay, good. Okay, what are the chapters coming? Do one thing, provide the list of the chapters coming in the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now there I will be able to access it quickly.
So there are 12 chapters in science and 8 in maths.
Okay, number of chapters have been reduced then. Arhan, take the screenshot of this page also.
So I
Yes,
have to
sir.
send in the group.
Yeah.
I have to send in the group.
Like you can send it to the group or you can send to me. You can send it to me directly. Okay, now
Okay, sir.
basically, if all the things are at the same place, then I'm having convenience to access it from one place.
Sir, I took it.
All right then. So let's uh, continue from where we left in the previous class. So basically, आज हम कुछ questions
Yes, sir.
practice करें. Yeah, Moz, you saying something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this chapter is not coming for me, so can I leave and learn some science?
Sure, sure. In fact, that would be the better thing to do.
Yeah, Allah Hafiz,
Okay.
sir.
Allah Hafiz, Allah Hafiz. So exercise 7.1. Guys, look at question number 1. Find the ratio of the following: speed of cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 km per hour. It is in fact very easy question.
Yes, sir.
So option number is, what would be the
1 is
answer
to
of
2.
this? Obviously 15 upon 30, that is 1:2, right? Okay. Now question number B and question number C. 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So now you guys start solving question number B and C and give the answers in the chat box. All of you.
Okay, sir.
Once we would be done with this chapter, there are so many things remaining to be discussed. Simple interest, compound interest, we haven't even started discussing that. So quickly solve these questions. Also, if anyone has any other questions apart from the chapter which we are doing, you guys can send those questions also.
Sir,
Okay.
I sent the answer of both.
You have sent it. Okay, let me check it. Okay, now Ahmed and Arham, you guys can also send your queries to me if you
Yes,
have
sir.
any doubts. Others also send it. I'm afraid that the answer you have provided is wrong, Arhan. Second
Okay,
one is option answer of C is true, but answer of B
yeah,
is
sir.
false.
I
Mhm.
sir, I resent it.
No, no. Arham, that is wrong. And Arhan, you have sent the answer of the option number B.
Yes, sir.
No, that is again wrong. See, normal conversion skills हमें याद होनी चाहिए. Huh? Conversion skills are very easy. Okay. What are the conversion skills in mathematics? Is Ahmed back in the class or not?
He is.
Okay, just give me one more minute. See, you all are required to remember the conversion scale. In order to convert 1 millimeter into centimeter, what you would be doing?
So multiplied by 10.
Yes, sir.
In order to convert millimeter into centimeter, you would be
100,
multiplying it
100,
with
100.
divide by 100 or multiply by 100.
Multiply, sir.
Why you would be multiplying it? Which one is a smaller quantity out of the two? First tell me. Is millimeter or centimeter? Millimeter.
Millimeter, sir.
So if I were required to convert a smaller unit into bigger unit, will I multiply or will I divide it? See, अगर 5 millimeter question में given है, हाँ, so does 5 millimeter into centimeter become 50 centimeter? Huh?
No, sir.
If you were to have a ruler, will you ever say like 5 millimeter will become 50 centimeter? In centimeter, it will be 50 centimeter. Obviously, no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ahmed. We have to divide it with 10 now. See, millimeter into centimeter, you have to divide by 10.
Yes, sir.
Getting it? Okay. Then talking about conversion of centimeter to
Meter.
meter. Again, you would be dividing by
100.
100 now. Divide
Yes,
by
sir.
100. Okay. Then again, from meter to kilometer, you have to
1000.
again divide
1000.
by 1000. Right? So these are simple things now. Right? So when you convert a smaller unit to a bigger unit, you have to divide. Or vice versa, if you were to convert from centimeter to
Multiply.
millimeter, right now, or meter to centimeter, or kilometer to meter, you have to multiply in that case.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So always remember these general things. Okay, back to the question. See, in question number B, what is being said? 5 meters there and 10 kilometers there. It's easy to convert the bigger unit into smaller unit. बड़े unit के smaller unit में convert करना comparatively easy होता है, so that's what we'll be doing. So
Yes, sir.
it would be 5 meter to
Sir,
10.
it should be 1:1000.
1 is to again you are doing the same mistake. See, first of all we have converted, we have made the unit same. अभी दोनों मीटर में है. Okay ना? Hope that is clear why we have written 10
Sir,
kilometer
should we
like
take
this.
5000? No, sir. No.
No. So now the ratio would be 5 upon this.
Yes,
5
sir.
upon 10,000. So it will be cancelled now. The answer is 1 is to 2000. That is the value now.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number C. Okay, let me see the answers you guys sent for this one. Arhan, what you have sent is correct. Arham, you done?
No, sir. I was
Ahmed?
listening to you.
Okay, Ahmed. Okay, Ahmed isn't here. So see, it will be simply what? 50 is to 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. That will be
500.
500. Right now. 0 cancels, thereby it will be 1 is to 10.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so hope that is clear. Now we also know how do we convert fractions into percentages.
Sir,
3
always
is
1
to
is
4.
to 10 is equal to 10 is to 1, right?
1 is to 10 equals to 10 is to 1.
Yes, sir.
No. 1 is to 10 equals to 10 is to 1. No.
Oh,
So they are
yes,
But-
sir,
both
yeah.
different.
The
Though
1 will get
they,
there. Yes, sir, yeah.
they are different. Look, 1 is to 10.
10 is to 1 equals to 10 upon 1. So it basically is just 10.
So it will be 1 equals to 100, and that is not possible
Yes, sir.
right now. Now solve all questions from question number 2. Solve both the questions quickly. Question number 3 is also very simple. Honestly, tell me, you guys practice question from this exercise or not? We have completed these exercise previously also. And I was thinking that I would be taking questions from NCERT example book also. Arhan, that is correct. Very good.
Sir, I practice from other books.
Arhan, for A you are sending. Okay, let me check that. That is true. Okay, Arhan, you're practicing from other books. That is good. But first of all, NCERT is a very fundamental book. First, you have to complete that book. Then only start solving questions from other books. Don't ignore NCERT.
Yes, sir.
Ram, that is correct. That will be 75%, both of you. Well done. Next one will be
Sir, I sent the second one.
that is correct. Very good. Now start solving question number 3.
So second one is recurring, right?
Second one is it's a recurring, but still you can reduce it to one place of decimal value or two. That is correct. Very good. 66.6% we would take.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Try solving question number 3.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I sent the answer to question number 3.
Okay, so let me check that. Question number 3. Hmm,
Sir, I have also sent.
Okay, Arhan, I doubt it's wrong. The answer which you have sent.
Sir, it should be 40% of x.
See, the answer of both of you have answered it wrong. Neither it will be 25, neither it will be 18. See, it's a general understanding कि अगर मैं question, let's see the values which you have guys have given to me. Arhan, you are saying 25, and
Oh.
Arham, you are saying 18. See, 72% of 25 students are already interested in mathematics.
Sir, is it 7?
It will be 7.
Yes, sir. How many not interested?
Exactly. No. 7. So 18 are the numbers of those students who are interested. क्योंकि हम
Yes, sir.
is 72% of 25. That is 72 upon 100 into 25. Right? So that's
Yes, sir.
18. So
Yes, sir.
18 are those who are interested. So obviously 75 minus 8, that is remaining 7 students are not interested.
Yes,
Is that clear to everyone?
Sir, I by mistake only solved question number 4.
No. You are required to solve question number 3. Okay. If you have solved question number 4, now then you attempt question number 5, while Arham, you attempt question number 4. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Have you guys been revising formulas of previous chapters or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. If you have been, may I ask few questions then? Yeah.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Starting from a very basic question. Okay, can I skip to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
You guys have the books with you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Arham, what do you mean by additive identity?
Sir, when we add 0 to a number, the product is the same number.
Good. Okay, what do you mean by multiplicative inverse, Arhan? Multiplicative inverse.
Sir, the reciprocal of a fractional number.
That is A upon B times B upon A. That should yield you 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you all must have been studying about distributive property. Since class 5, 6, you must have studied about it. So will you please tell me, Arham, what do you mean by distributive property? Distributive property of distributive property basically क्या होता है?
Sir, when we multiply a number by every term, every number.
Okay, or we break the numbers. Okay, now we are basically breaking a number. For example, 78 can be written as 7 times 10 plus 8.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right now. So that is what, or we can say it is A times B plus C equals to AB plus BC.
Yes, sir.
Okay, commutative property of addition you must have studied about, Arhan. That is simply a plus b equals to b plus
B plus A.
a. Does that follow for subtraction also?
No, sir.
Commutative? No. Okay. And does commutative property follows from multiplication, Arham?
Sir, can you repeat?
Does commutative property follow for multiplication? Is it applicable for multiplication?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What about commutative property of division? Is that true?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No. Associative property of addition is obviously
True.
Yes,
that
sir.
is
True.
a plus b plus c equals to a plus b under the bracket plus c. Okay. By the way, is associative property applicable for division?
No, sir.
No, sir.
For subtraction?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. Okay. If I were required to find the let's say area of a parallelogram, how do you find the area?
So half into
Base
base
into
into height.
No, sir. Base into height.
Simply base into height, no?
Yes, yes, sir.
That's triangle.
Right? Base into height. Okay, no? What about rhombus? If the diagonals of the rhombuses are given, how do you
Half into
finding its
diagonal
area?
1 into diagonal 2.
Very good. Okay. Arham, you tell to me. You tell this one. How do you find the area of a trapezium?
Sir, height multiplied by
Mm-hmm.
the length of the parallel side upon 2.
Upon 2. Good. Okay. What about the area of an equilateral triangle?
Say
Sir, half into base
under
into
root.
height.
Yeah, go on, go on.
So under root 3 upon 4 into a square.
Very good. That is also the formula which you can use. Root 3 upon 4 a square, that can be used. And simply um, half times the
Base
sides
into
of the base into height, that can also be used. Basically, यहाँ पर base हम कहते हैं या फिर no matter which length you take, all of them are equal. So if this is a, this is a, this is a, and this is h, so it will be half times a into h. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Also, for example, if you were to have circle, what would be the area?
Pi r square.
Pi
Yes, sir.
r square. Okay. What about a semicircle, by the way?
Sir, I don't know. Yeah,
Yeah, Arham.
So half
Semi.
pi square. 1 upon
Exactly. Exactly. No, Arhan. Basically,
yes, sir.
semicircle is half of the circle. No?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Say if you were to have a hollow ring, एक hollow ring है. Now you are required to find the area of this hollow ring. So whoever knows can answer this one. How do you find the area of this hollow ring? I have told this thing in the class. First of all, let me give you a hint. Like there will be two R's here, the bigger R and the smaller R. I have provided a hint. एक outer radius है and एक inner radius है यहाँ पर. Bigger radius, smaller radius. How do you find the area of the ring? Anyone? Okay, think of it. Think of it. It's a simple question. I know you guys can do this one. Arhan,
So pi into bigger r and smaller r.
you will be multiplying the bigger R and the smaller R.
Yes, sir.
See, if I were to give a piece of paper like this, okay, and then again say it's a square shaped paper, and then you again cut a square shaped paper out of it. ठीक है, let's say कि ये total बड़े वाले square shaped paper का area था, let's say it's 100 square centimeter, and the smaller one that you cut out, it's 50 square centimeter. So the remaining area that will be 100 minus 50.
Yes, sir. 50 centimeters square.
So what we did now, we subtracted the smaller
Sir,
area
is it
from it.
sir, is it pi into bigger r square minus smaller r square?
Exactly. Getting it now, Arham. Arhan?
Yes, sir.
So you would be taking the area of the bigger circle and subtract the area of the smaller circle from it. Thereby, you would be getting the area of the ring. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now do tell me one more thing. Like, you guys haven't studied about cone, no? We didn't. That was not in the part. Neither
No,
cone, neither is sphere, neither hemisphere is right now in
No,
part
sir.
of the class.
No, sir.
Okay. Also, as soon as your classes are going to be over for this session now, when your class 8th exams are over in the school, make sure you take a printout of all the formulas, and even I will be providing a PDF of all the different formulas, which will be helpful in class 9. So make sure you learn them. Even
Yes, sir.
if you haven't studied the chapter, make sure you learn all of them. Okay, na? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. By the way, how do you find the area of the cube? Total surface
Yes.
area.
Say 6 square.
Okay, good. Okay. In order to find the lateral surface area of a cuboid, Arham, what is the formula required?
4 square.
Lateral surface area. It's a cuboid, not cube.
Okay, but um, this 2 into height multiplied by length plus breadth.
L plus length plus breadth.
B.
Very good. Good. Okay. So do tell me some more formulas. A plus B whole square. A plus B whole
Identities.
square. Identities. A minus B whole square. Okay, now. And then A plus B times A minus B equals to what? And then one more take x plus A into x plus B. That is equal to what? Okay, and Arhan, since you have studied some more identities yourself, so you could be answering this one also. A plus B whole cube equal to what? Equals to what? And A minus B whole cube is equal to what?
Okay, sir.
Huh. So starting from you, Arham, answer the first two.
So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And second one is a square minus 2ab plus b square.
Good. Yeah. Answer. You answer this one. This one you answer Arham, while remaining this one, and this one. Arhan will be answering this. Yeah, Arham.
So
One more
which
question.
three?
I did told like Arham, you answer this one. Yeah,
So
Arham,
x
this one.
square x square into a plus b into x plus ab.
Again, repeat that.
X square into a plus b into x plus ab.
No. It will be x square plus a plus b times x plus ab.
Yes, sir, that's what I said.
That's what you said now. Okay. I might have misheard it. Okay, remaining one, you answer Arhan.
So the a minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square,
Good.
and a plus b whole cube equals to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b, and a minus b whole cube equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b.
A minus b. A
Yes.
minus b. Okay, now. Arham, don't worry. You will be studying these formulas in class 9. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shall I ask questions from exponents and powers also?
Yes, sir.
Since we are revising some formulas, let's complete it. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
x raised to the exponent 0 is equal to what?
1.
1.
1. Okay. X times m multiplied x time n, that is equal to
xm plus n.
Yes, sir.
okay. Xm divided by xn, that is
Xn minus n.
Yes, sir.
x raised to the exponent m minus n. Good. X raised to the exponent minus m, that is
1 upon
1 upon
xm.
x. Yes, sir.
1 upon x raised to the exponent m. Good. Okay, na? Or x raised to the exponent 1 is equal to,
X.
that is x,
X. Yes, sir.
simply, right? Okay then. So hope that is clear. Okay, back to what we were discussing. Let's continue from there. By the way, so far we did I did told you to remember some of the formulas like selling price. All of you know that is equal to
Yes, sir.
selling price will be what? I bought an article for 5 rupees. Now I sold it. I increased its price to rupees 2 and I sold it for 7 rupees. This was the
MP minus is CP.
MP minus CP. That is the profit actually now.
It's a cost price plus profit.
Cost price plus profit. ये हमारा selling price है and that is the profit I am making on this. Okay now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we were doing which question by the way? Question number 4. You guys were doing, na?
Yes, sir.
Question number 4 and 5. Done with these questions or not?
No,
Yeah.
sir, not yet.
Okay, okay. Solve them.
So I guess I got fourth one.
You got the fourth one. What
Yes.
value you are getting?
So 25
Hmm.
matches.
25 matches. Very good. That is correct. What about you, Arhan? Done with question number 5?
7,050 rupees.
1,050 rupees. Okay. Question number 5. I doubt. I think the answer you are getting is wrong. I think. See. By the way, question number 4, both of you got 25 for this one. That is very good. That is correct. Okay, now.
So I'm
Question
still
number.
the fifth one.
Okay, you are still doing this.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. So you do this one while
So I got my answer.
what answer you are getting?
At the beginning, 800 rupees.
800 rupees. Okay, first let's get done with this question, then we'll move to question number 6. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
So question number 6 was saying that if Chameli had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, ठीक है? Chameli के पास कितने amounts बच रहे हैं after spending
600.
600 rupees, right?
Sir, will it be
How much?
750?
No, that will not be 750. See, hope you guys understood the question. First, read the question twice and thrice at least. If Chameli
Yes, sir.
had rupees 600 left after spending 75% of her money, so she had already spent 75% of her money, she is now left with rupees 600 only. So how much money did she initially had? That's what we are required to find it. So let's assume that the money she initially had is rupees 600. Sorry, rupees X.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है ना? So question number 5 we are solving. Let's. Is Ahmed back in the class or not?
No, sir.
She had money in beginning equals to rupees X. So what she had done, she had spent 75% of the money. 75% of the money she has spent. So
Yes,
now,
sir.
according to the question, out of the total money, total money here, total money minus spent amount. Total money is X, spent amount is rupees 600. So that according to the question was 75%. यहाँ पर जो भी remaining हमें बचता है, see what she has is what she had spent would be 75% of the total money. Understand the equation. She had 600 rupees remaining. She had no, sorry,
So is it
not this
minus
spent amount,
600?
not the spent amount. It is actually the spending money which we are seeing over here. spending money. Okay, so spending money, we know that spending money, whatever she has spent according to the question, that was 75% of total money. जो चमेली ने spend किया है 75% of her total money. Everything is hidden in this statement, in this equation. Spending money, the money she had spent was 75% of her total money. Okay ना? So let's say कि मैंने आपको 100 rupees दिया है and now you are left with only 60 rupees. It means आपने कितना spend किया है?
40.
I gave you 100 rupees. You are left with 60 rupees. It means you are spent 40 rupees now. So thereby
Yes, sir.
total money, that is X, you would be subtracting 600 from it. And that is 75% of the total money you had. Total
Yes, sir.
spent money.
Sir, I got the answer.
What value you are getting?
Sir, 1400.
1400.
Yes,
Nahi.
sir.
No, I don't think so. So first let's convert it. 75 upon 100 of means X multiplied by. Let's do it. So X minus 600 equals to 75 upon 100 into X. Now let's bring it to this side. Let's bring it this side. So we can write it like this. And then again it is 100x minus 600. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
getting it now. 25x. Now let's rearrange. Let's do a little bit of rearrangement so that can we bring it this side? So thereby it becomes minus 75x. And here it is
60,000.
60,000. So that is 25x equals to 60,000. And x equals to what value you will be getting here? 60,000 upon 25. So 25 twos are 50.
2400.
25 fours are 100. So thereby x is 2400. So initially she had 2400 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Everyone got this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So if time permits, we would be solving the last question also. Okay, question number 6. Let's move to that one. Everyone taken the screenshot?
Sir, can I take?
You can take. There's no need to take permission for it.
Sir, done.
Done? Okay then. Question number 6. Okay. So first let me explain the question. If 60% of the people in a city like cricket, in a city, 60% are liking cricket. 30% likes football. So 30% likes football. So you are left with 10%.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So then what percent of the people like other games? If 60% in a city like cricket, 30% like football, and the remaining like other games, then what percent of the people like other games? Obviously
10%.
10%. So that's a simple thing. Further
Yes, sir.
question says, if the total number of people is 50 lakh, total number of people is 50 lakh, find the exact number who like each type of game. So namely हमें cricket and football के बारे में find out करना है. So can't we do that? You know
Yes,
how
sir.
to find percentage from a given value right now. So you have to find 60% of 50 lakh of 50 lakh, and then you'll be finding 30% of 50 lakhs. Okay now? So that's what
Yes,
you'd
sir.
be doing. I hope you guys would be able to solve this one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, so that's it for today. We'll be meeting in the next class.
Yes, Allah Hafiz.
Allah
Allah
Hafiz,
Hafiz
sir.
everyone. Okay.